You need to understand this fact. Whatever you fear the most, you tend to attract and manifest similar situations in your life. First, let's understand what is fear. Fear is just the illusion which is created in your mind. 99% of your fears are just lies. Whatever you keep telling your mind, whatever situation you keep telling your mind, and you withdraw, you cannot take action in your life. It's just the lie, just your perception, it's just your illusion of your mind. So what if you can work on that fear? What if you can resolve that fear? 99% of your problems, 99% of your life will completely change. Today, I will be going to share you the technique how you can resolve all your fear and how you can transform your life. Because because of fear, because of that small fear, you cannot take any action in your life. You step back because of that belief, because of fear of judgment, fear of failure, fear of something which actually step you back in your life. What if you can resolve fear? Let's understand the detail how the fear get formed. Your mind perceive information through three senses. That is visual, that is auditory, and that is by feeling something. So whenever something happen and something trigger your mind creates certain feeling, and because of that feeling, whenever that situation occurs in your mind, you keep repeating that feeling and sensation in your body, and immediately you respond into flight mode, is we called as survival mode. Your survival mode get activated because of that fear which is keep ruling your mind, and this is a reason which step you back to take any actions in your life. It's very important to understand this is not your reality, it is just your illusion. 99% of your fear is your illusion. And if you resolve that, your life will completely change. So let's understand today there is a very powerful technique in NLP. With the help of that, we will be resolving all your fear. We will be helping to remove whatever fear and whatever emotion would stop you to move further in your life will help you. So there is a biggest fear everyone have, which is fear of death. Fear of death, fear of losing someone, fear of judgment, fear of failure. These are the common fears. So, we will be taking these common fears to resolve all the fears at once. So, what if we can resolve the biggest fear? Other fear we can automatically overcome if we work on the biggest fear of your life. That is fear of death or fear of losing your loved ones. So here we will be using timeline therapy, which is by the NLP. We will be using this therapy to resolve that fear, the biggest fear. So automatically all your smallest fear get resolved in your mind. So let's work on this. So first step is identifying all your fear. Whatever fear you have, take a list of fear. If you have fear related to losing someone, if you have fear related to get sick, whatever fear you have, just write down all your fear, and just you have to create a new perception and just create and just look that fear with the new perception and with the new reality. So this is called as timeline therapy. We will be doing a timeline therapy exercise to resolve that fear. You have to sit in a comfortable place and just be relax yourself. Close your eyes and just imagine, take your left hand and take your right hand. So this is your left hand, this is your right hand. So in this exercise, what we're gonna do, we will be going to your past and we will be going to your future. When I'm telling you to go to your past, you have to take your right hand, you have to shift your hand little backward. When I'll be telling you to go to your future, you'll have to shift your left hand little this side. So like this you have to do. Take left hand is your past, right hand is your future. So right hand this will go like this, left hand will go like this. So we will be going through your past timeline to change this fear and to create this new perception of fear in the past. Similarly, we will be going to your future timeline to create the new perception of fear in your mind. Let's start with the exercise. be sure that you will be sitting in a comfortable place so that you can take most benefit of this exercise. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Take one more deep breath. And now just think of that fear. Now you're in your current present line. Now in your current timeline, which is your present. And we will be going first in your past timeline. Close your eyes and just think of that fear. Just think of that fear in your mind. And just think how you're feeling when you're just thinking about that fear emotion in your mind. Maybe it is fear of failure, maybe it is fear of losing someone, or fear of losing job, fear of earning money. Whatever fear you have, just concentrate on that fear. Now take your left hand little backward and just see and just go behind, just go back 5 years back from your whatever is your current age. If you're 30, just go 5 years back. Just go to 25. If you're 45, just go 5 years back, which is 40. So just go 5 years back and see whatever the fear you have right now, that same person 5 years back have that same fear about that job, about that losing someone, or about anything. Going 5 year back to your timeline, it's that person have that same fear? Is that person is thinking same way what you are thinking currently? If yes, then say yes. If no, then say no. All the fear, just imagine the fear of death, imagine all the fear of your life, and just see what is the perception of that person in the past. Is that person have same fear? Now move little backward. Now move 10 years back. If you're 30, now move to 20 when you're 20 years old. Now see, as a 20 years old, do you have same fear which you have currently? Do you have same perception of fear which that person at the age of 20? Ask this question to yourself. If you have fear of losing job at 20 years old, do you have that same fear? Just take all your fear. Did that same person when you are 20 years old have same fear of losing money? If it is yes, then say yes. If it is no, then say no. Now move 10 years back more. If you're 20 years currently, then move 10 years back. Imagine you're 10 years old. Now just ask this question to your 10 years old yourself. Do I have the same perception of fear, whatever fear I have? Do I think same when I was 10 years old, I was thinking the same? Ask this question. As a 10 years old, do I have the fear of losing money? Do I have the fear of losing job? Do I have the fear of rejection? Ask this question to yourself. Move slightly back. Imagine you are just 5 years old. Ask this 5 years old yourself. Do I have the same fear of losing someone when I was 5 years old? Just imagine your face when you're 5 years old. Just look into your face, how you are looking. What will be your expression? How you are reacting to the fear? Do you react in the same way when you was 5 years old? Just see your 5 years old. When someone just died in your family, how you react at that time when you was 5 years old? Do that person have same perception of fear which you have currently? Move slightly back. Just imagine you're just 1 year old right now. Do you have same perception of fear related to money, related to losing job, related to losing someone, or related to death when you are just 1 year old? Imagine yourself as 1 year old. And just imagine what that 1 year old is doing. When someone died, or when something happened to that person. Just imagine yourself as a 1 year old and just ask this question to that 1 year old yourself. Do that 1 year old person also have same fear which you have? Now just go back. Now just imagine you're just born. You haven't seen anything in the world. You don't have any memory. You don't have any thoughts. Do you also have that same fear when you're just 1 year old? Ask this question to yourself. Do you have a fear of death when you're just 1 day old? Do you have a fear of losing someone when you're just 1 day old? Ask this question, and whatever wisdom that 1 year old have, take all the wisdom from all the timeline and just put in your heart. And just take that wisdom in your heart. Now we will be moving to the future timeline. If you are 30 years old, just imagine from 20 years now in the future, what will be your age? If I'm 30, my age will be 50. Take future timeline ahead 20 years old. Now ask this question, whatever fear you have currently, will that 50 years old have the same fear? Will that 50 years old have that same perception of fear related to job, related to a person? What maturity that 50 years old person will carry? Ask this question as a 50 years old and take that maturity. Now move ahead and just imagine you're 90 years old. You are you have wrinkles. You're completely old. You have white hair. Just imagine your face, how you will be looking. And just ask this question, did that same person carry that same perception of fear? Ask that 90 years old yourself, do I have the same fear which I have currently? Related to money, related to a person, related to losing job, or any fear which you are carrying right now. Whatever wisdom that person is giving, take that wisdom in your heart and move ahead and just imagine you are in your dead bed right now, which is your last day. Before leaving the world, what perception of fear that person have, what perception of life that person have, what compassion, what advice that person will give to you to live life. Just ask this question to yourself, what that person will feel about this fear which you have currently. What perception that person have about death, about love, about money, about career, or anything which you're fearful about. Take all the wisdom to your heart. Bring all the wisdom from your future self and from your past self and carry all the wisdom in your heart. And now just ask this question, what perception of fear this person will have. Take all the wisdom and just put in your heart. Take a deep breath. Now slowly open your eyes. And now just ask this question to yourself. What is your perception of fear right now? Whatever fear you have. Is that perception change or is that perception is same? Ask this question. So this is a beautiful exercise of releasing and fear which you're holding for a very long time, which actually stop you to grow in your life. Practice this timeline therapy every day. It will remove all your fear, trust me. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.